Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to deposit your Pi or Pi network into OKX wallet. So how can you do that? So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it easily. So let's go through this. You can find the deposit address, open your OKX TR app and select deposit and then input Pi. You will be able to see this interface. So just select deposit crypto and then select Pi network and Pi crypto, and you will be able to see your deposit address on the Pi OKX app. And once you get that, just open your Pi browser. You will be able to see there are two applications called Pi and Pi network. So make sure to download Pi browser, and from here just click on wallet, and once you see wallet, just enter the passphrase and click on unlock with passphrase or unlock with Face ID. And once you unlock, just scroll down and here is the you will be seeing the available Pi coins and the wallet and everything, history, migrations, everything. So from here just make sure to click pay request. You will be able to see this feature, pay/request. So click on this option, and once you click here you will be seeing this option, scan or show QR code or manually add a wallet address. So click on manually add wallet address, and once you click here you will be seeing this interface wallet address OKX deposit address. So make sure to enter your OKX deposit address on this section, and from here just click on confirm. You will be seeing this option in the bottom right corner. So just click on confirm, and once you confirm that, your Pi will be transferred to OKX wallet. As you can see, transfer succeeded. So this is a simple and step-by-step guide on how you can transfer your Pi to OKX wallet.